So how to add an HDRI in Blender? Go to shading tab and then select the render view mode. You'll find the wall properties section on the right side. Click this yellow dot and select environment texture. Now you need to add an HDRI image to your scene, and there is a lot of great websites where you can download HDRIs. I like Polyheaven. You'll find lots of HDRI here for free, and I have downloaded some already. Click on the open button in the wall properties. Navigate to your folder where you saved your HDRI and select it. Your HDRI is going to show up in the background. If you don't want it, then go to render properties, film, and then select transparency option. It's going to give you a transparent background and HDRI will still work. Go to this property and change this to world and press N and select texture mapping. You can rotate and adjust HDRI using these options. Increase the strength if you want. You can add curves and hue and saturation nodes for some modifications. And yeah, that's how you can add an HDRI in Blender.